I just got done placing some Ritz crackers right down on my baking sheet. Now here I have some pickle chips. I went with these kind, those are my favorite. And I just put them in a paper towel here because I wanted to dry them off a little bit. And I'm gonna place a pickle chip nice and quickly here right on top of my Ritz crackers. That's right, you guys, I am making this super tasty and easy appetizer. I swear you are going to fall in love with this. Okay, here we got one last pickle. Perfect, there we go. I made some bite-sized pieces of Gouda cheese and I'm placing them right here on top of these pickles. Once again, this is my preference of cheese, but you know, I thought maybe provolone would maybe be good, maybe Havarti, I don't know, maybe Munster. Tell me more. What kind of cheese would you put on top of this super tasty little fun and quick appetizer we are putting together here? Oh, I want to eat a piece of this cheese so bad, I'm restraining myself. Now we're coming in with a little bit of dill seasoning and I'm going to just sprinkle just a little bit over top. It's okay if it gets on your parchment paper underneath. Sometimes it's a little messy, but you'll always place these on a plate so you will not have to worry about what they look like while they're on the tray, right? No stress. Now we have some everything bagel seasoning. We are gonna put that as well right on top of this cheese. Ooh, this is gonna go also with the sesame seeds. It's gonna be really good little added flavor, a little bit of an added crunch. Ooh, and the poppy seeds, all of these flavors are just gonna come together. That is it, you guys. Look at how easy that was. All I have to do now is pop them in the oven at 350. I'm gonna bake them for about 12 minutes. The cheese is gonna be nice and melty, and the pickle will be just a little bit crispy. Ooh, the cracker, everything's gonna come together so nicely. Stick around so I can show you. All right, yummy. Look at how good those look. Let's just take a moment for these little cheesy bites of goodness right here. Ooh, I love the dill and the everything bagel seasoning on top. The way that the cheese melts and just kind of hugs around the pickle and the cracker. What a great little snack. All right, I'm just gonna come in here. I'm taking this one right here in the middle. Look at that, it all crisped together too. Ooh, we've got some crispiness on the bottom of the cracker there. Ooh, that's exciting. Ooh, it's a little hot. I'm going in for it. Mmm. Yum. The cracker is still crispy. The pickle still has crunch on it. Then it's like this melted cheese and with the extra dill on top with the everything bagel seasoning. Wow, these are a really great little snacking bite. I love these things, you guys. Ooh, what kind of pickles would you use or cheese? I don't know. Tell me more. See you guys later.